House for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in eastern Paros, in the area of Tourlos. A plot of 5,785 square meters, with 185 square meters of buildings. One of the buildings, approximately 75 square meters, is new and has an open-plan kitchen and living room, bathroom, and bedroom. This property offers two exciting options. Option 1. The old buildings can be restored to create further living space, leaving a further building capacity of 75 square meters approximately. Option 2. The old buildings can be demolished and a further 180 square meters can be built on the land. With ample parking space, the option to expand the building, and lovely views, this is an ideal property for a permanent residence with rental income potential. Northeastern orientation with expansive sea views towards Naxos. All networks are connected. Access by paved road. Ideal as a permanent residence. 16 kilometers from the port and the town of Paros. 19 kilometers from the airport. 2 kilometers from the sea.